Quereron, mga tol. So Bayfront Avenue na tayo mga tol. Ayan na yung Helix Bridge and Art Science Museum. Okay, so first time ko pa nang makakapunta rito mga tol sa tinagal-tagal kong magtrabaho dito. Syempre mas masaya pagkakasama yung pamilya. Daming beses ko nang pwedeng pumunta dyan, pero I choose to be with my family. Yes, thanks God. Yun. Hi! So yan, Marina Bay Sands na, Tower 1 and 2. Ang kababa lang natin ng taxi ay check in, check out. Oh, ang dami kong dala. Ang bango. Amoy sabon namin, hand sanitizer. Hi, birthday girl. Are you happy? Rock and roll. Kuya, rock and roll. Oh, you arrange your mask. Yes. Love. Yes, first time natin. Ayan. Yun. Naka-register na kami. So, hey! Ito na. Okay, ito na tayo. So, yun. Napasakan. Tower 1. Okay. Asok na tayo. So, number 45 tayo. Mga chong. Very nice. Woo! Who wants to open the door? The birthday girl, no. You need to use your card. Okay. Yes! Oh, push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Come on, let's go. Wow! Go, 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 Cindy. Wow! Wow! Rock and roll. Ooh, ooh. Love. Nice. Ooh. Wow, it's closing. Gamit na ga. Yes. Ang bango talaga. Yes! Woo! We're here in the infinity pool. Dahil tao. Ayan o, swimming ka sa 57th floor. Sa pinakataas. Nice! So this is for the kids. Huh? Oh, sige. Come here. This is for the kids. Here. You can swim there. Come here. Yeah, kids pool. Hi, Kaylee. Love. Yan, mga tol. Dito na tayo sa taas. Yan yung ano. Yung ayun, easy. Okay lang yan. Sandre. Yan.
Look at me.
Sunset, yan. So, ayan yung itsura ng sa taas kapag sa oras na ba? 7:35, yan. We're going na. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Happy birthday to you. Look. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, so today is the birthday of my daughter, Celine. Ayan, so bababa. Oh, nakakalik daw. Tali. Ito pangalan nito, rice. So ito ang buffet nila dito, 91 plus SDD plus GST yan. Okay. Happy birthday! Oh, no. I requested already. You also have your steak. Asparagus and the pie. Sandri? Salit din ako. Wala pa ako. Rock and roll mga tol. Yung things God at kasama kami. Next one. Okay, let's go. One. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you wish first. Happy birthday. One. Yes, so thanks God. We're here in the Sky Park, so Skyland here at the bar. So, yeah. My friend, brother.
Bro, yeah, it's right here.
And videographer, so show yourself, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here in the 57. So this is the Sky Park. Yeah, as you can see. What is that? It's a stone. So this is... Yes. How are you? Nanay? Are you having fun? Express checkout. Yan. Okay. Ayos. So yeah, we have so much fun. Thank you, Andre. So if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Rock and roll. God bless all. Stay safe. Thank you. Happy birthday.